This is How Does Everything Work? Quick, clear, simple. Let's begin. Hit subscribe, and let's make the world make sense. So why do we sneeze? A sneeze is your body's emergency cleanup system. Inside your nose, tiny hairs and sensors are constantly watching for trouble, like dust, pollen, pepper, or even sudden bright light. When something irritating hits your nose, your body sends a warning to your brain. Your brain fires a massive signal that slams your chest muscles, your throat, and your face into a giant reset. Then boom, a blast of air shoots out up to 100 miles an hour, cleaning out whatever triggered the alarm. It is your body's way of saying, get this out of here right now. And that is how a sneeze works. If this helped the world make a little more sense, hit subscribe, because we're just getting started.